Hi all, myself Grishma S from Department of Costume Design and Fashion. Today we are going to see about the topic draping. So draping is defined as the three-dimensional pattern with the aid of a dress form figure by pinning and placing fabric against the form to create a garment. This definition means that we use a fabric, a muslin fabric for draping, which is pinned against the dress form. Dress form is nothing but a dummy or a draping figure or a human figure which is used to drape. So importance of draping is that we can visualize the end garment before sewing the garment. So draping becomes an important method in making the dress. So let us see the advantages and disadvantages of the draping. So first advantage of the draping is we can bring the outcome of the fabric before cutting it. When we drape a garment, we do not cut the fabric and we directly pin the muslin onto the dress form. Next, it is being a three-dimensional method, we can visualize the draped format of the garment. Next, in draping, we can have a particular and standard measurements and standard dress forms for each and every body type. For example, in media, the heroines will have their own dress forms as they cannot sew every now and then. So next is it helps a designer to achieve difficult designs or difficult patterns before sewing itself in draping. Next is in draping we can see the feature of a garment and characteristics and postures. So before sewing a garment and before putting it onto a model, we can get the view of the fabric or view of the garment and its properties and visualize. And instead of sewing various styles of garments and trying it on a model, we can try it in a draping. In draping style, we can try it in a dress forms. So next, disadvantages. The only three disadvantages of the draping is draping, it is very expensive technique and it is not very common in India, and draping it needs more talent and more practice than the flat pattern drafting. Once we are ready with the draping techniques, we will be okay with draping instead of flat pattern. Next is principles of draping. So in principles of draping, we should always follow the grain lines. Grain lines are nothing but lengthwise and crosswise and bias lines across the woven fabric. Next, in the fabric, the perpendicular line and grain line should be parallel to the flow. Next is bust line and waistline, hip line, that is across the body. The lines or measurements that comes across the body should lay parallel to the floor. Next is we should use a good quality pin such that it should not tear away the muslin or the fabric that we use, and it should not lose the shape of the garment. And we have to establish the seam lines in the dress forms before we drape a garment, like waist lines and bust lines and all. We should define it using a style tape. So we have to tear the muslin instead of cutting, and these are the principles of draping. Thank you.